Oh, hello everyone. My name is Suzanna. Welcome to Suzanna's sHowTo. Today we're gonna make Oobleck. Tell you what we need. We need cornstarch, food coloring, water, spoon, a container. Let's first put the food coloring in. Now I'm going to use green. Remember, just one drop. We will pick up and shake it so let it mix up a little. And now let's pour in all the cornstarch in a container. And now let's like this a little. And now let's pour in water. Remember, a little bit at a time. And stir. Don't pour much. And remember, I already made one Oobleck yesterday. Wow. It's okay to let your mom or dad to help. A kind of like water that kind. If it's not like water, maybe you need to add more water or cornstarch. Let's play with it. I kind of like this. And let me show you if I put my finger. It's okay if you don't like really do it. You can still try next time. Yesterday I do blue slime. Oh, blue Oobleck. Oh, I will tell you what they're from. It's from a story of Dr. Seuss. Thank you for watching Suzanna's How-To. If you want to learn something in science, please subscribe to my video.